Shit, I didn't park up here. Can't exactly see out my rear view mirror. Ooh, good thing I have that. $100,000 people. 100,000 of you want to watch me slap dough. 100,000 of you want to become better cooks, want to learn weird things about food that are ultimately going to make you better at cooking. I know a lot of you already noticed this and saw that I hit 100,000, but I just wanted to give a formal, massive thank you to everyone who supported me and is supporting me. It's so weird for me to experience this that I don't even know exactly what to say other than thank you from the bottom of my heart. So cooking has kind of been an innate thing for me since I was like 4 years old. I've come from a family that cooking runs deep. Everyone in the family is a good cook and knows what they're doing. And so a lot of that stems from my family. My mom is the one who taught me how to cook. My mom is the one who always brought me in the kitchen and piqued my interest for that. And I think from there, I kind of just took it up. Almost my entire childhood consisted of me trying to get better at cooking. I spent hours, thousands of hours, on learning how to cook and becoming better. I read so many things online and so many books, and my parents were so supportive, and I'm so lucky to have parents like that. Let me just stop for a second. Let me just stop there and say that this isn't just about me. To me, this is a celebration about you guys. It's not like to be like, look at me, I'm at 100,000 subscribers, I'm the best. There are people with millions of subscribers, and this is about you guys. This is about the support of the community, and I'm like blown away, genuinely. Seriously, the deepest, most massive thank you I could give to you guys. I can't wait to do more. If you guys have suggestions on what you want to see, please leave a comment below and let me know. So yeah, that's it, 100K. Dangan happened.
Awesome.
Is this a new recipe?
Yeah, I'm so proud of you. All right, get back to work.
Oh, I already filmed it. Okay, that's it. Stop! Don't touch the lens with your nose.